Hey guys, it's Miss DeLitto. We're going to look at dividing fractions. So whenever you're dividing fractions, I always like to remember the acronym KFC. And no, it does not stand for Kentucky Fried Chicken, but that does help me remember. K stands for keep, and we're always going to keep that first fraction the same. So we're going to keep 3/10 exactly how it is. F stands for flip, and we're going to flip that second fraction. We're going to take its reciprocal, so it's going to become 2/1. And last but not least, C stands for change. We're going to change that division sign to multiplication. Now that we've KFC'd, we can simply multiply our numerators and our denominators just as we would multiply fractions together normally. So 3 times 2 is 6, and 10 times 1 is 10. And because we know 6 and 10 are both divisible by 2, we can simplify to 3/5. So 3/10 divided by 1/2 is 3/5. So let's try another example. This example is a little bit different because we're dividing a fraction and a whole number. So before we can even start with KFC, we want to change that whole number to a fraction. We can do that by making this 6/1. So 6 divided by 1 is the same exact thing as 6. So we have 6/7 divided by 6/1. And I would strongly recommend doing this before you try in KFC because it may confuse you once you're flipping that second fraction. So now let's go through KFC. So we're going to keep our first fraction the same. We're going to change that sign to multiplication. And we're going to flip or take the reciprocal of 6/1 and make it 1/6. Now that we've KFC'd, we can simply multiply across. 6 times 1 is 6. 7 times 6 is 42. And we know that both 6 and 42 are divisible by 6. So we can simplify this to 1/7. So 6/7 divided by 6 is equal to 1/7.